best fruits to boost your health are known to be highly nutritious, delicious, and convenient to add to any diet. 13 best fruits to boost your health for a healthy lifestyle. Increasing the intake of fruits is an excellent way to reduce the risk of diseases and improve overall health. Different fruits have different nutritional values, hence different health benefits. Some of the best fruits have high medicinal capacity and health benefits. In today's video, we will share with you the 13 best fruits to boost your health for a healthy lifestyle. Watch till the end to learn all of them. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are excellent sources of vitamin C and antioxidant properties. Some of the benefits of blueberries include prevention of urinary tract infections, diabetes, cancers, and improvement of cardiovascular and intestinal health. Blueberry flavonoids may also protect against certain cancers and decrease the risk of atherosclerosis. Blueberry juice has also been proven to have anti-diabetic properties, a major factor of cardiovascular diseases. The phenolic compounds in blueberries slow the onset of cardiovascular disease by reducing the effects of oxidative stress, which leads to cell death, oxidation of blood lipids, and inflammation of the vascular system. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. Avocado. Avocados contain folate, which is very effective in protecting against colon, pancreatic, or stomach cancer. Avocados contain 2 phytochemicals known as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for eye health. The avocado is a fruit that is very rich in minerals such as potassium and magnesium. These minerals and vitamins help maintain and hydrate the skin and hair. Avocados are low in natural sugars and high in healthy fats that regulate the level of cholesterol in the blood and also reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Some studies have shown that avocados aid weight management because of their high fiber and fat contents that promote fullness. They act as antioxidants in the eye and reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. They mostly contain monounsaturated fat, oleic acid, linked to better heart health. Number 3. Banana. The potassium content in bananas helps regulate blood pressure, protects the body from cardiovascular diseases, and limits the formation of kidney stones. Bananas are also high in prebiotics, a fiber that enhances the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Bananas are rich in vitamin C and have the effect of boosting our immune system, thus protecting our bodies from colds. Bananas are easy to digest, and the high fiber content of this fruit promotes intestinal transit. Unripe bananas are high in resistant starch and are good sources of the dietary fiber pectin. Number 4. Orange. Orange is often associated with energy and is known for its richness in vitamin C that helps to fight winter viruses. It also provides a good content of calcium essential for bone mineralization. The potassium in oranges helps increase the relaxation of blood vessels, thereby promoting blood circulation and reducing blood pressure. Number 5. Apple. Apples are used as appetite suppressants because they are low in calories. This fruit is rich in fiber, both soluble and insoluble, and is known to be excellent for health, especially because it contains hemicellulose, cellulose, and pectin, a soluble fiber known to regulate intestinal transit. Apples are also rich in flavonoids and antioxidants and have properties that could prevent strokes, manage blood sugar levels, and support gut and heart health. Number 6. Mango. Studies have proven that eating mangoes may protect the body from diseases like diabetes, heart diseases, and cancers. Mangoes are rich in plant polyphenols with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It also contains pectin and vitamin C, which helps reduce bad cholesterol and regulate blood sugar levels. They are also rich in beta-carotene, which stimulates the production of vitamin A. Mangoes are excellent sources of folate, potassium, fiber, and vitamins. The antioxidant content prevents macular degeneration and age-related eye problems. Its high fiber content aids digestive health and regular bowel movements. Number 7. Pineapple. This fruit also serves as a natural diuretic that eliminates toxins and fluids from the body, thereby reducing body volume. The sodium and potassium content in pineapple lowers blood pressure. Pineapples also contain insoluble fiber, improving gut health and flushing toxins from the body. It also helps achieve a feeling of satiety due to its high fiber content, hence it is ideal for weight loss. Pineapple contains manganese, which supports metabolism, regulates blood sugar, and acts as an antioxidant. Number 8. Strawberries. Its high content of vitamin C helps strengthen the body's natural defenses. Strawberries are low in calories but rich in vitamin C, minerals, and fiber, increasing the production of defense cells and making the body resistant to infections. Number 9. Cherries. They support heart and gut health, improve intestinal transit, and have diuretic properties due to their fiber and potassium content. The potassium content of cherries helps regulate blood pressure and heart rate and reduces the risk of hypertension. Cherries have excellent antioxidant properties and are also good carotene and vitamin C sources. Number 10. Grapes. Grapes limit bad cholesterol levels and improve blood vessel resistance. Grapes are rich in polyphenols, potassium, vitamin K, and powerful antioxidants. Hence, they have protective properties and support heart health. Therefore, eating grapes keeps the muscular and nervous systems in good condition and helps in weight loss. They also possess diuretic properties. It is made up of low sodium levels and moderate doses of vitamin B. It also protects the cardiovascular system by slowing down aging. Number 11. Watermelon. Watermelons also help in the quick healing of wounds and also improve cardiovascular health. The watermelon is the richest fruit in citrulline, an amino acid that can increase the vitality of blood vessels and promote their dilation. Citrulline also plays a beneficial role in improving the immune system and preventing cell damage. Watermelons are abundant sources of lycopene, which helps lower inflammation and oxidative stress levels. It helps in losing body fat, and it also supports eye health. It also reduces the risk of cancer, diabetes, and high diseases. Hence, it helps to hydrate and replenish electrolytes after a sweat session. Number 12. Kiwi. The kiwi is a good, healthy fruit with multiple benefits. It contains fiber, polyphenols, and digestive enzymes like actinidin. Medical studies have shown that the kiwi fruit could promote the fluidity of the blood and reduce the phenomenon of platelet aggregation, which would limit the risk of a heart attack. Therefore, it has been used for hundreds of years in traditional Chinese medicine to support digestion and gut health. Number 13. Guava. Guava has astringent, antispasmodic, and antimicrobial properties, which help reduce diarrhea and abdominal pain. It is also recommended for relieving constipation and cleaning the intestines. The pectin content of guava is beneficial for the digestive system. Summarily, fruits provide the body with key vitamins, antioxidants, and dietary fiber. From the above-listed benefits of fruits, it is evident that eating diets high in fruits may be especially powerful for preventing diseases. They have notable effects on the general body performance, especially heart health, digestion, skin health, and weight management. Will you start eating these fruits after watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!